Wow. Honestly, I didn't expect 3 minutes to feel this short and concise.
This isn't just a regular, funny video compilation, but a highly effective quick laugh therapy. From the first second until the video's finale at the 3-minute mark, I literally couldn't stop smiling. Even laughing so hard, I cried a few times. The editing is flawless, and the humorous timing is perfect. Every clip chosen is gold. From clever pranks to innocent and spontaneous shocked reactions to completely random pet antics. All hit the mark. Highly recommended for anyone feeling stressed or in need of an instant mood boost. This 3-minute clip is perfect short enough to watch in between busy hours. Yet incredibly impactful, it instantly brightens your mood. Definitely like and share. Thank you for providing this quality laugh vitamin. Subscribing and looking forward to the next 3-minute compilation.
Oke, mulai kawan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mata nih gue, Pak.